All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to come the late night show. I see. How everybody take day, how not be, and how every take day on top of our own side. As usual, I go by the name Michael, but they call me a baller. You know, is it a bit the Chris? So you don't plan me, they come again. Waiting, I will introduce myself again.
Oh, yeah.
Then you go put my applause.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong to you? Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name Michael, but they call me Ogbolora. See, you know, say you reach to beat now. Thank you. I love you. You far too kind. I love you. And of course, on the wheels of steel, my guy, my G, very DJ Easy Beat. Okay, una welcome. All right, now welcome on top of the show this night. As it be like this, we are going to do our best to make sure everybody are having a lot of fun tonight, okay? Because we get very, very, very exclusive people in the building. But on top of the whole thing, we'll make sure everybody at night is going to go in a very, very beautiful way, in a very, very awesome way. So you are not coming to have a bad dream this night before you sleep in your dream. You understand what I'm saying now? Easy, but you understand? Because you are having bad dream every time. And your boy is having nightmare. Paco is having bad dream. Understand? So it's different things for different people. Okay? That's why the late night show is here to make sure everybody mind have calmed down. Different stress everywhere. Fuel scarcity is worrying people. We have different colo things worrying people. So depression, inflation. Which other Sean day again?
Corruption,
constipation, starvation,
pollution,
operation, pollution. Every Sean is worrying people, so we are here to make sure your body calm down. Okay, so even tension is somewhere, in the whole mix. Okay, but anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we get two very, very wonderful people inside the house today, and then we'll go make sure the show go on very, very spoofing. DJ ZB did there, go sunshine to some kind better things on top of music level. I don't know why they always introduce you and all these things. It's not concern you in any way. But anyway, we shall go with the show. The night for that day, nothing didn't happen. The show you officially starts. We are beginning now. Easy beats. We will come. Thank you. Okay, welcome back to the late night show. And as it be like this now, we are entering the Coco for the day. Make a tell them the Coco. 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 When you see how we like, just use the magic word. Go say, okay. Welcome back. Coco number one. Bang. You know, Oga Goodluck Jonathan don't they pack a load to come up for inside the office.
Yeah, that's so.
And as it be like this now, he are coming out to tell everybody say we are sorry. Him and his wife they come out to say we are sorry.
Sorry for.
Wait first, not the rush to see what's wrong with it. That is the actual question. But you know, take finish. Even Vice President and his own wife, he have come out now to say we are sorry. So the question now is, what are you sorry for? They are coming out to social media and everywhere that say, Pẹ̀lẹ́ Nigeria. Listen, Nigeria, we are not happy people. You know, say, mommy Peshe. They are coming, we are sorry, we are sorry, you know there is still God, so please, sorry, if we don't do the whole thing well for you, we are sorry, Almighty God is there, please, And so the woman you beg. So even Sambo, Vice President wife, come out, everybody are begging. But what are you sorry for? Is it bitch? You get any sorry song? Where we play?
Okay,
Maybe like sorry, it's all that you can say. Because you touch person when do bad thing and they apologize. Not be so. Now be say maybe for their mind they feel saying, we are not treat these Nigerian people very well. But if you be president for this country, wallahi, you don't feel normal yourself. Because to handle Nigeria as a country, you have to have extra wings. Well, not be that kind of sorry I say make you play. Before we finish show, now go see armor tank for outside. Bell up you! You are sorry for waiting. But any which way, they have come to apologize. Nigeria, do we accept apology or not? Just tell us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there. Tell us whether you accept the apology or not. Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the coco.
We dey talk this thing every time, make people dey careful on top social media. All our baby want to see them, our chicks and ladies. Please, all of you will see a man, send you a message on the Twitter or a Facebook, he go sweet you. You understand? You say, wow. Wow, you're looking beautiful. You say good day for her, they say, stop it. You're touching my rat. Stop it. He could sweet you for body. The next thing, the man has sent invitation to you. He think come and say, he invited me over. Oh my Stephanie. Oh, he's so handsome. He has this pack. He's tall, dark, and handsome. Very, very all right. He's a banker. They are banking people's life now. My sister, 2 particular sisters, they get invitation from one guy, from people that are talking to on Facebook. The guy have called them, say, come, let's go outside for a trips. You know trips? They like trips. Chicks. Come, let's go and shop shawarma.
Rhymes with chicks like trips.
Like trips. Yeah, chicks like trips. See these 2 sisters now, they are going to come out to go and have a good time with the boys they meet on Facebook. Now they reach for there, the boys that say, let's take this thing to the next level. Now for there, one of the sisters say, no, I'm not somebody like that. Please, I have to come up for this place like now. As she stand up to say, make she waka. Now the boy hold her. Hey, come back here. And he hold her for down, bring her down. See beating when they got the beat the 2 sisters. The big shaggy come up for their head. The boys can't keep them for there as hostage. You keep them for there, say, you don't know who I be, what's wrong with you? Beat them, message, you can't use rag, tie their hand, tie their leg. We thank God, say finally, they let them go, finally.
They let them go.
But it could have been worse like Oyibo go talk. The matter if you don't go past like that. But we thank God, say they see they okay. Say they even get mad to come and talk the story finally. Because some people don't pass their waka before.
They catch the boys.
Based on chicks like trips.
Chick like trips. They catch the boys.
They don't catch them. But maybe the girls will fit tell them so where they
see how they go.
Please, our viewers are to be careful, please. Makachineke, Makachuku, Lórúkọ Jésù, we are begging you on the behalf of all the men. Abi? Okay, no, not all the men, because some men don't just do right.
No, right.
Me and Easy Bit, we are okay.
We are very, very okay.
If we send a message for Facebook, it's for good.
It's for
we
good.
No carry go trips.
No
carry to church.
Yeah, church, we'll minister to you in church.
We'll minister to you.
Yeah.
You understand? Our church name will be waiting. Waiting go be our church name.
Just ministry church.
Ministry church. We minister to you, ministry church.
In good mind and good faith.
Our Holy Communion, now give bread and
straight up.
And juice. You do okay. So like that. But please, careful, ladies, be very careful on social media. We're going to talk this thing until the thing day right. Okay. So Coco Extra number 3. Now, Nigeria, people now, we are talking, say, man-to-man touchlighting, woman-to-woman touchlighting. People have not come to accept it in this country and will not go accept it.
Never.
So
Never.
They don't talk, say, they're baby on top the whole level 14 years straight. So boys now, like for dormitory, for hostel, people now, they fear to bath and you drop soap.
Oh, shit.
Ha!
Oh, shit.
Ha! If you just do last one like that, oh, blood, as you just drop the soap, boom.
Yeah.
Then they look like this. Pick the soap. Now you go dey tell them say, sorry. Why you dey apologize? Why you dey beg for it?
Take your soap.
Pick your soap. As just they pick the soap, like you say, from there you are, or say make you change tire for bottle. You just bend down, say make you just change tire for bottle. Yeah. You just see person like Okoga for your back. Boom! Hey, Chimle! From there you can just run mental crazy. So please, for inside Ibadan, and this one happen. 21 men and they cash for inside motor with 122 condoms. 21 men, man to man, bone to bone. 21. They catch them with 122 condoms. My own be say, who they even count the condoms first in the first place? Okay, 1, 2, 3. You say you are not okay.
Those are exhibits.
You can't take condoms. You say you want to thief it too. But no be the issue be that. They come and ask this boy, say, come. Wait till now they take 122 condoms, do now come be 21 men. No woman there inside. Let's say we say one woman there for that, they go say, okay, now they do gathering of
gathering some.
You understand? Gathering some. You understand? But this one, no woman there for that. Then they say, come, you boys, we don't hear of gay cult. Since he blessed now, these boys now they do this thing for inside the Ibadan. Now they don't catch them. Say they belong to one gay cult. Gay cult. Where boys they go torchlight boys. So they don't turn to society. They're okay with themselves, but they don't catch them. They see they question them on top of the whole thing.
They give them 21 years each.
21 years. No, 14 plus 14. Now wait 28.
No, 21 divided by 121 then be made a share.
They all share.
Yeah.
But prison go full. For Ibadan, no prison gets space again.
They will all go to deal right together.
That be hey, if you go carry the people inside prison now to be continued though. To be continued. So which one can be the way to escape now? Okay, but any which way they have come and catch them, and then now they are saying that different story enter inside, but they are not conclude on the whole thing. So when the final gist come out, we are coming to let you know. Okay, so now that will come out on top Coco and every, but on top the whole thing like this. What do you feel about all these gist we are giving you? What do you come and feel upon the whole thing? Saying that the one our leaders are apologizing, or for the one with the cash, the girls they beat them from Facebook friends they get. I be for this last one with the cash 21 men with 122 condoms and every. What do you feel about the whole gist? Just go for Twitter at W Late Night Show. When you reach for the just shook your own gist and comment for the whole thing, and then go know everything go take you. All right. So we they come back with our first guest and go say everything go take be not shaking. We they come back.